Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Afterpay to your Shopify store as a payment option. Before we begin, make sure you are already signed into your Shopify account using an administrator login. This is important because only store admins can make changes to payment settings. Now, look at the bottom left corner of your Shopify dashboard. Click on the button labeled Settings. This will open the Settings menu. Inside the Settings menu, find and click on the option that says Payments. This will take you to the Payments Setup page. On the Payments page, scroll down to the section titled Third-Party Payment Providers. This is where you can connect payment gateways that are not managed directly by Shopify. Next, click on Choose a Provider or Add Payment Method, depending on what is shown on your screen. A search bar will appear. In this search bar, type Afterpay. When the search results appear, look through the list. You may see a few different options that support Afterpay. Some of the common platforms you might see include Lion Pay, Too Advanced, which is UserPay. While any of them can work, in this tutorial, we're going to select UCPay. This provider usually supports more payment methods and has broader integration options. Click on UCPay and then click the button that says Install. You will be taken to a new page asking for permission to connect UCPay to your Shopify store. Confirm by clicking Install again. Once that is done, you will be asked to enter your merchant account credentials. This includes your API ID and API password. If you already have a merchant account with Afterpay or UCPay, these credentials would have been provided to you when you signed up. If you're not sure where to find them, check your account dashboard or contact your provider's support team. Enter your API credentials in the correct fields. Then, complete the CAPTCHA to prove you are not a robot. When you're finished, click Submit. That's it. Afterpay is now connected to your Shopify store. Your customers will now see Afterpay as a payment option when they go to checkout. If you don't have a Shopify store yet, or just want to test it out, check the link in the video description. You can try Shopify for just $1. Thanks for watching.